Let's quickly look at how to generate code using Playwright. So you can do this from the command line. Type nps playwright Codegen and then type any website that you want. Let's take for example wikipedia.org. So once you open Codegen, you'll also see that a Playwright inspector, which is also a pop-up that opens on the side. So as and when you click, the recording continues. Let's just go ahead and click one more link. So now you can see that the code has been generated for you to kind of copy and paste it over to your coding pad or your IDE. The other good thing about the Playwright inspector is you can actually select the programming language of your choice. Let's say you select Java, then it actually generates the code in Java. So since we use the Playwright test runner, which is the original test runner that comes bundled with Playwright in TypeScript, let's use that. I'm going to just go ahead and create a new file in here. Let's call it as codegen.spec.ts. And then paste this code. So once I save it, and by the way, the Codegen is still running, and if you want to close it, you can. You'll have to actually close the window, and then Codegen quits. Do not forget to copy before you actually close the window. Otherwise, you might actually end up losing the Playwright inspector context. Cool. Now, if you want to run, you can use the extension based run. So you select this and then the Codegen starts running. Sorry, the code that is there in the IDE starts running. That's pretty neat, isn't it? So now there's also a neat hack that is available for you to actually capture Codegen based on a responsiveness of a website. So let's try that. So if I want to kind of, let's say, generate code for a device which is equal to, let's, iPhone 13. Keeping it on top. You can actually see that the browser is opened by Playwright in an emulator mode, and it goes ahead and also records it based on the emulator mode as well. So you can see that here clearly. So if you want to copy this, just copy it and then paste it in your IDE. Alright, let me just close this. Sorry. So the other way to kind of also record is using the Playwright extension. So there's an option to click on the recorder, and then you just start with let's say wikipedia.org. And okay, I need to click here and then click on Wikipedia. Just close that. You can also see that whatever code that we tried got generated here automatically and pasted here as well. If I want to do something in between, right? Let's say if I want to add some code here, then there's also another option called record at cursor. So again, this is pretty not so nice way to have your code, but I'm just giving it as an example. So let's say I'll click on something else like read Wikipedia in your language, and maybe I'll select Polski. Alright, now if I close this, you can see that the code is automatically added as well. So yeah, there are two ways to actually generate code. One is using the Codegen option in your command line. The other is to use the Playwright extension and generate this code.